Hey everyone and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the perfect setup for a Smartsheet portfolio dashboard, from choosing the best template to building your own dashboard step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a dashboard that not only looks fantastic, but also keeps your entire portfolio organized and at your fingertips. If you've ever wanted a clean, powerful way to visualize your project portfolio in Smartsheet, you're absolutely in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and log into Smartsheet. Once you're there, look for the Create button. You'll usually find this in the top left area of your screen. Give that a click. This is the launch pad for anything new you want to make, kind of like opening a fresh notebook or a blank canvas. From the options that pop up, choose Dashboards. This is where the magic of customization happens. Dashboards in Smartsheet are kind of like your mission control. They pull together all your key data, charts, and metrics in one place so you can see the bigger picture at just a glance. When your new dashboard loads, you'll notice the dashboard title space at the very top. Take a moment to pick a clear and descriptive name, maybe something like 2024 Project Portfolio or Marketing Campaign Tracker. Labeling your dashboard clearly might seem simple, but it really helps when you start juggling multiple dashboards down the line, trust me on this. Now direct your attention to the right side of the screen. Here you'll see all the building blocks of your dashboard. These are called widgets. Think of widgets like app icons on your smartphone. Each one does something different, and you can mix and match them as needed to create exactly the workspace you want. Let's talk through the widgets you'll see here and why each one matters. There's the title widget, which is perfect for adding section headers throughout your dashboard. Use these to divide up your dashboard into logical sections, maybe one for project statuses, another for key contacts or upcoming milestones. Next up is the timeline widget. This one's incredibly useful for visualizing dates or schedules. If you're tracking multiple projects or campaigns, the timeline widget quickly shows what's happening when, so nothing sneaks up on you. Just click and drag this widget onto your dashboard and customize it with the projects and dates you want to keep an eye on. You'll also see the report widget. This is where Smartsheet really shines. You can connect any report you've already created in Smartsheet right into your dashboard. It allows you to display live data, like which tasks are running behind or which budgets are tight. Imagine it like a window directly into your most important spreadsheets, refreshing in real time. Image widgets are next. These might seem less essential, but don't underestimate them. Adding your company's logo or even quick visual cues for certain project types can make your dashboard feel branded and much easier to scan. There's a metric widget as well. Use this for key numbers, things like total budget spent, open items, or hours logged. Having these metrics bold and front and center means you'll always know exactly where things stand without digging into the weeds. Chart widgets take those numbers and turn them into graphs or pie charts, giving you visual trends at a glance. This is especially helpful for presentations or when you need a snapshot for leadership without overwhelming them with details. The shortcut widget lets you link directly from your dashboard to other Smartsheet sheets, dashboards, or even external websites. It's a bit like leaving sticky notes with pointers to important spots, helping you jump exactly where you need to go fast. And don't forget the rich text widget. Use this to add notes, instructions for team members, or even just a quick welcome message at the top of your dashboard. It's your place for context and guidance, so everyone is on the same page when they view the dashboard. There's also a widget theme feature, which is huge for keeping everything looking cohesive. Play around with the themes until you find one that matches your company colors or personal style. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. You can always change it later as your dashboard evolves. And there you have it. You now know exactly which tools are at your disposal and how to structure your own portfolio dashboard in Smartsheet from scratch. It might take a bit of experimenting to get everything just right, but with these widgets, you have the flexibility to show off your portfolio in a way that truly works for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, drop your questions or dashboard ideas down below in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow Smartsheet guides. Thanks so much for watching and happy dashboard building.